How you doing? My name is Trenius, Henderson. You're tuning into the famous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. You like this shirt? All right, I'm gonna tell you about this shirt at the end of this video. Stay tuned through the end of this video. I'm gonna tell you about this shirt. Anyway, but listen, you might wanna know, how can you speak things into existence using the secret law of attraction? Now listen, once upon a time, I did not know how to do this. As a matter of fact, I was doing this all wrong once upon a time. Like, I was speaking things into existence that I didn't want to happen because I kept talking about the things that I didn't want to happen. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I just kept wondering, like, why was I perpetuating the same experience that I kept having before? Okay? And so when you learn about the secret law of attraction, when you learn how the universe works, when you learn how your words work in correspondence with co-creating your reality, you discover that you get exactly what you speak out of the master manifester, which is your mouth. Okay? See, a lot of people take this mouth for granted. Like, a lot of people just see just lips, tongue. Like, a lot of people take it for granted. But the truth of the reality is, the tongue has the power to create life and death. You know, like right now, for you, you're listening to this video. This is proof right now. This is evidence that the mouth is able to create life, because I'm able to tell you something that's going to enhance your life, that's going to have a benefit to your life. You know, that's going to make you more abundant, make you more prosperous, because I'm speaking life into you, right? So you're going to hear what I'm saying, and you're going to take it back into your experiences, your reality, your existence, and you're going to create more life. You're going to create more money for yourself. You know, you're going to create more avenues of abundance for yourself, because we're speaking life right now. So it's all in the mouth. It's all in the tongue. And so once upon a time, I didn't realize this concept. I did not realize that what I was saying was having a major effect on what I was experiencing in my reality. And so I was blaming my situation on everybody around me. He did it. She did it. My boss is the reason why. My job is the reason why I'm at this job working. Job, you hired me, so you're the reason why I'm here working. You know what I'm saying? And I'm failing to realize the whole time, I'm like, yo, it wasn't really that the job that I was working at, you know, wanted me to stay there. It's because I kept speaking into existence that I wanted to go to work. You know, I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work. I gotta go to, that's what I kept speaking. And so when you speak things into existence, whether it's good or bad, the universe, it don't know. No, it's the universe spoil us so much. We get what we want all the time in this almighty power of the universe. So it spoils us to give us even the bad stuff and even the good stuff. Ain't that magical? So basically what I'm saying is, you know, people all throughout the day, some people are unaware of this, some people are aware of this. Hopefully you're one of the conscious ones. Are you conscious? Are you woke? Like Chris Brown said in the song Ing Dingo, I like her because she woke. Are you woke right now? Are you conscious? Speak or let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below and say, I am woke, Trenius. Just comment below right now and say, I am woke, Trenius. I want to know who woke, okay? Especially if she woke. Speak up, let your voice be heard. All the ladies out there. Fellas, I love you too, bruh. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Some people don't know that they are speaking more negative experiences into existence when they're having negative conversations with friends, negative conversations with family members, negative conversations at the job, negative conversations with co-workers, negative conversations with your mom, negative conversation with your dad. If you don't like something about your dad, but you keep on talking to your friends about your dad, guess what? Your dad is going to give you more of, you know, the negativity that you're talking about, because the universe don't know no better. The universe don't pick no sides and don't have no favorites. You know, a lot of people wonder, why is it that this person is rich, man, and they're a bad person? Who knows? Maybe this bad person is good at speaking the things that they want into existence, such as money. You know what I'm saying? The rich get richer and the poor get poorer. You know why? Because the poor always talk about the poverty. The poor always talk about the lack. The poor always talk about how much money they don't have. The poor always talking about the stock market crashing. It went up, it went down. The poor always talking about how the government is doing us wrong and all that. The poor is always talking about poor things. So guess what? The universe just pour more of poor things into the poor person's universe. Y-O universe, okay? See, this is your universe. Y-O universe. This is your universe. And ye are God, so you can speak just like God, whatever you want into your universe, okay? But the thing is, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful of the fertilizer that you putting on your plants, okay? Because some of y'all's plants is withering up because you putting the wrong fertilizer on your plant. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go get the right fertilizer, okay? So what I learned was how to speak things into existence. Okay, once upon a time, I didn't have no knowledge of this stuff. Nobody ever taught me this stuff. I had to learn all of this stuff. Did you have to learn all of the stuff that you know now about like how to retrain your mind? If you had to learn all the stuff that you know right now, speak up, let your voice be heard, leave a comment below and say, I had to learn all of this, Trenius. And don't spell this T-H-I-S, spell it D-I-S. We're gonna do some slang terminology today. Say, I had to learn all of this, Trenius. I had to learn all of this, Trenius. Comment below and say, I had to learn all of this, Trenius. And so when I had to learn how to use my master manifester, my mouth, that's when everything began to change. I mean, it wasn't no overnight change. It wasn't like no 24-hour change where I just noticed like money just falling off of the trees, you know, where I just immediately got out of my job that same day. You know, where I just immediately realized that the clothes I was wearing was co-creating my reality also, because I had to look at this same word, success, and it made me think of success constantly every day. Get your shirt at the end of this video. You know, I had to change all of that, but it was a gradual change. It was a process. It was a slow, gradual, slowly but surely process that eventually changed. And it got so deep, you know, I had to really enhance the change. You know, when I started to see things change, I got deeper into it, just like you did. Okay, I got deeper into it, and I started noticing everything that's going on in my reality. How many of you are so aware that you see numbers and stuff like 1111? Like, I saw that. Like 222, you be right behind a car, you see like 333. You be reading everything, people's license plates. You be looking at people's name tags and stuff like that. I mean, you be reading everything. You be looking at the colors that people got on when you go out to restaurants and stuff with your husband and stuff. You be trying to see, and you be looking for the path of the universe. How many of y'all be looking for the path of the universe? Speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below right now and say, I be looking for the path of the universe. I'm super aware, okay? So, you know, you become like super aware. I became super aware, and I started noticing repeating numbers. But you know, one thing that I also started to notice, to actually begin to speak things into existence, I started to notice the type of words I was using, okay? Like when somebody would ask me a question, be like, Trenius, are you going to Las Vegas in a couple of days? Once upon a time, see, if I was that old me that didn't know how to use my master manifestor, my mouth, because it's always co-creating. If I was that old me, I would have said, you know, well, you know, I don't get my check to, I'm thinking about, you know, I don't know, man, what the weather gonna be like? If the weather right, then, you know, nowadays, I'm like, I am going to be going to Las Vegas. I am going to be going to Las Vegas. I will be going to Las Vegas. I can go to Las Vegas. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Follow me to Las Vegas, folks. I will be in Las Vegas in a couple of days. Okay, so I began to watch my words. I began to speak with certainty. I began to demand and command the universe rather than just maybe, I might, I think I can, I don't know if whatever. Like, you know, rather than being uncertain about the things that you want, you got to start speaking things into existence because you know that's what you're going to get. You know that's what you want to have. I can get married. Does that make any sense for people that's not married? I can't get married. Yeah, I need to be talking about myself, I guess. Single guy, he talks like that, okay? Pay him no mind, okay? That's my second person. I'm speaking from third person point of view. But anyway, like, I will go here, you know? I will do that. I am a life coach. You know, once upon a time when I didn't have, you know, my purpose. You know, I didn't know what my purpose was. You know, then I began to know how powerful my words are, and I said, I am a life coach. And then it came into my existence, and I began to have beautiful RIM team members all over the world who I coach every single day. Make sure that you sign up for a RIM team, folks, only $19.99. Simple. And I will be your personal life coach. This is how you speak things into existence, okay? Be certain about what you want. Know that that's what you want, but not only know that that's what you want, but make sure the words that you're saying is convicting the thing that you want. You have to speak with conviction. You can't be twirling and foiling and twirling and squirming like you don't know, maybe, not, no. If this is what you want, say, I will, I can, I am. Everything must be certain 100%, because when you certain and you at 110% surety about the thing that you want to manifest, okay, that's when the universe go and reflect it back to you. The universe is like, okay, they're certain this is what they want. This is the color that she likes for her dresses to be. We're going to get her blue. She said that she wants blue. She didn't say that, you know, I like blue-green, I like sky blue. She said she want blue, okay? Thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I'm Trenius, Henderson. Don't you like this success shirt? You like this success shirt? Okay, we got plenty colors, okay? All different sizes, 100% cotton, folks. Black culture wear with the Living Rim Network, folks. We got these shirts for you for the low. If you want you a success shirt, hit my email. It's going to be at the very top of the comment section. Just subject it, I want success shirt. Okay, now this is a really, really radiant, this is a really vibrational shirt, folks. When you put this shirt on, you go out into public, you know, everybody is wanting to know who you is. That's why I put this one on today, because I'm about to shine today. I'm about to hit Las Vegas up. Make sure you hit me up, send me an email. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon. That's me. Click that face icon. But make sure you hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos every single day. Check out one of these other videos right here in the meantime. Other than that, folks, get you a shirt. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.